So I'm here at SSR Performance, and I'm here with Shaw, one of the owners. He's going to walk you through exactly what they offer here. Maybe they have a service that you need for your car.
Alright, what's up guys? So, as you guys can see, we're here at SSR Performance, and we're about to throw a steering wheel on this beautiful car. The steering wheel is going to look amazing with the Alcantara, super custom from Mashimaro, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, that's right.
We do everything M54, everything from engine swaps to turbos to oil changes to brakes, regular maintenance, whatever you guys need, we got your back. As you guys can see, I think you might show them later on what we got going on in the back.
Yeah, I showed them all the cars. So
yeah, as you guys can see, we got cars up here. BMW is pretty much around every corner, and whatever you guys need, feel free to give us a call. 800-438-2808 is our phone number.
I'll put that phone number right here too, so it makes it easy.
Give us a call on whatever you guys need. We'll be more than happy to get you guys set up. And yeah, I just want to give a big shout out. You know, hopefully this turns out how you always imagined.
Yeah, awesome. And when you book with them, make sure to mention my name or mention N54 Builds, just so he knows who referred you guys. Today I have a quick install. I'm installing my Mashimaro or Mashi wheels steering wheel. So I went with Alcantara white stitching and a red center stripe on the top. So they already got the wheel off. We're gonna swap over all the electrical stuff on the wheel, just because when you get these wheels, it's a core wheel. You can never be too sure that the electrical stuff will work. So we're just using my stock one because I know it works. Alright, so they're putting the new wheel back on. Looks good already. So after all the electrical plugs are all swapped over and plugged in, there's a center nut that you tighten on and torque down. Next step is reconnecting the airbag and then snapping it right into place. The airbag just clicks right into place, and that's it. So obviously they unplug the battery for this so the airbag doesn't deploy in your face while you're unconnecting it, but they'll just plug that back in. So he's going through all the controls to make sure everything works. Looks like everything is fine. Everything checked out on all the functions. This looks so good. This looks especially good with the shifter that I just installed. Alcantara boot as well. I want to show you guys some of the cars that they have laying around just to show you what they do. M2 comp. So this is something I'd actually consider after my car, if I ever have the money for it. The new 2020 Supra GTR 335. Looks like he got in an accident of some sort. So pretty much there's 335s everywhere, or any M54 powered car. They're all over the place because they break very often. Here's another example of the type of cars that they work on. This is actually Laser Beamer's 335 IS. It has a 6466 Dock Race turbo kit on it. It's pretty sweet. I'm not quite sure what he's having done, but yeah, he always comes here for all of his performance and modifications. Manny's getting me some stickers on. I have the license plate frame to represent SSR, but now I'm getting some stickers. And they match my stickers. Sweet. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it matches. I just wanted to film this quick clip. I was editing the video right now. And I'll probably put this at the end of the video, but I wanted to give a quick first impression of the wheel. it feels like a million times better than the stock one. Not necessarily because of the material, but the way it's shaped. So it fits my hands a lot better. It's bulkier, so it has that like BMW M kind of bulkiness to it. The center stripe actually helps a lot with being in the corners. It just kind of like shows you exactly where your steering wheel is pointed when you're in the middle of a corner. You can't focus on like everything at once, so it helps out with that, and everything just feels really great about it. I love the flat bottom. It's a totally different feeling when you're turning like lock to lock. So yeah, I couldn't recommend it more. If you want to get one of these, the link will be in the description to my website where you can buy one yourself. That's gonna do it for this video. Huge thank you to SSR Performance for helping me out and getting this done so quickly. If you guys want to book an appointment, we already kind of went over this with Shaw, but make sure to call that number and they'll get you taken care of, like with anything that you need. Their whole team is really nice and pretty much just here to help you guys. So definitely mention my name or M54 Builds when you book. I'll see you in the next video.